Hello guys, welcome to Rise Up YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 1.1 question from 3 to 6. In last video, we have solved the first and second question. If you have not watched that video, I'll give that video's link in the description box as well as in the comment section. Please go and watch it. Okay, we'll proceed with the third question. Write the following sets in roster form. We all know that a set can be represented in two forms. One is roster form and the other one is set builder form. Okay, we'll proceed with the third question. The first sub question: a is equal to x such that x is an integer where x is greater than -3 but less than 7. We'll write the elements of the set A. A is equal to an element of the set. We'll write the elements, that is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The second sub question: b is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Natural number, it begins from 1 and it moved till infinity. Here they have given the condition, that is it should be less than 6. Then the elements of the set B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is not included in the set, therefore 5 is the last element. The third sub question: C is equal to x such that x is a 2-digit number such that the number of its digit is 8. Okay, the two conditions of the set are, it should be a 2-digit number. Generally the numbers between 10 and 99 are 2-digit number. I hope you all know that. And their second condition is their sum should be equal to 8. Okay, we'll write the elements. The first one will be 17. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. The second one is 26. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And the third one is 35. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And the fourth one is 44. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And the fifth one is 53. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And the sixth one is 62. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And the seventh one is 71. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And the eighth one is 80. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Here you should note that I am saying the first, second, third. You can somehow write this elements, you can jumble it, but you should note a point that repetition of the element is not allowed while writing or representing a set in roster form. You can jumble the elements, but repetition is not allowed. Fourth sub question: D is equal to x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Here the two conditions are, the number should be a prime number and it should be a divisor of 60. We all know that there are only 3 elements which are prime number as well as the divisor of 60. We'll write those elements. D is equal to 2, 3, 5. 2 is a prime number as well as the divisor of 60. 3 is a prime number as well as the divisor of 60. 5 is a prime number as well as the divisor of 60. We'll move to the fifth sub question. E is equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Here you should note the point, repetition of the elements are not allowed. Okay, we'll write the elements. T, R, I, G, O, N. O is not repeated once again because it is already written. M, E, T is not written because it is repeated in the beginning itself. R we should not write, and the last element Y. We'll move to the sixth sub question. F is equal to the set of all letters in the word better. After reading the question, You all come to know that it is similar kind of question as fifth one. So pause the video, write the answer in the comment section and play and check your answer. F is equal to B E T. T is written, so no need to repeat. E is written, so no need to repeat. The last element R. That's it. B, E, T, R are the elements of the set F. We'll move to the fourth question. Write the following sets in set builder form. In the third question, we have represent the set or written the set in roster form. Here we will write in set builder form. The first sub question, 3, 6, 9, 12. Generally, when the elements are numbers, in most of the NCERT question, the elements are numbers. So, one point you should keep in mind, that is, what kind of numbers are those? Are they natural numbers or real numbers or integers or prime numbers? You should write it. That is the first point you should note when you are writing or when you are dealing the elements by only numbers. When the elements are only numbers. For example, these are the elements where you are dealing with letters. These are the elements where you are dealing with numbers. Okay, we'll proceed. The first sub question, 3, 6, 9, 12. The first point you should keep in mind that after reading the question, we can easily say that these are natural numbers. Okay, we'll write it. A is equal to x as the x is a natural number and after reading the series, after going through the series, you can easily say it is a multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. We'll write it natural number and multiple of 3, and the last condition you should write that the end point you should, like 3 20s are 60, but it is a natural number as well as a multiple of 3, but it's not in the set, so the end point should be written. 3 4s is 12, it is the last element, so the next one is 3 5s are 15, so the x should be less than 15. We'll write it, x should be less than 15. Equality sign should not be written because 15 is not included in the set, or you can write it as x is lesser than or equal to 12. In these two, anyone you can write. Okay, we'll move to the second sub question. 2 4 8 16 32. After reading the elements of the set, you guys know these are natural numbers. Okay, and here we can easily note that the given set is one of the powers of 2. 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So it is a power of the number 2. We'll write it. B is equal to x as the x is a natural number and x is equal to 2 to the power of n less than 5, where n should be less than 5. Here 2 5s are 32. They have given 32 is included in the set, so the equality sign is mentioned, less than sign is also mentioned. N should be less than and equal to 5. We can also write it as x as the x is equal to 2 to the power of n, where n belongs to capital N. In the introduction video, we have given the meaning of this letter. It means natural number. Like this, many kind of notations are present in the chapter set. If you have not watched the introduction part, that video, I'll give the link of that video in the description box as well as in the comment section. It will be helpful for you to solve these kind of questions. Okay, we'll proceed. Third sub question, 525, 125, 625. First of all, after reading the elements, you will come to know that these elements are natural numbers, and the series says that it is a power of, these numbers are the power of 5. It is similar kind of question as the second one. In second one, we came across the power of 2 numbers. In the third one, the power of 5. So pause the video, write the answer in the comment section and play and check your answer. We'll write the answer. C is equal to x as the x is equal to 5 to the power of n, where n belongs to natural number and n should be lesser than or equal to 4. The fourth sub question, d is equal to 2, 4, 6. The last element is not given. From this we can say that it is an infinite set. If you don't know the meaning of infinite set, in the introduction part, it's just a 10 minutes video. Go and watch it. In that we have covered everything. Okay, we'll write the answer. D is equal to x such that x is a even natural number. First thing, when you read itself, you will come to know it is a natural number. Second, after seeing the series, you will say that it is an even numbers. So it is an even natural number. Fifth sub question, 149 till 100. Here the endpoint is given, so it is a finite set. Okay, we'll write the answer. The elements, after reading the elements, you guys know the answer, that is similar, it's a natural number. The answer is equal to x such that x is equal to n square. N square, where you should write that n belongs to capital N. What is capital N? Natural number. And here the endpoint is given, 149 till 100. N square will apply. Here for you, for more detailed answer, apply 1 in the place of n and check your answer. 1 square is equal to 1 and 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16 and 5 square is equal to 25 and 6 square is equal to 36 and 7 square is equal to 49 and 8 square is equal to 64 and 9 square is equal to 81. 10 square is equal to 100. So the last element is given as 100 and the first element is 1. Therefore n should be equal to and less than 10, because in n value we are applying 10, we are not applying 100. 100 is the answer. 10 is a number where in the place of n you are putting the value of 10. You are not applying 100 in the place of n, you are applying 10. So n should be lesser than and equal to 10. Equal to is included because 10 is in the, because 10 is an element present in the set. Fifth question, list all the elements of the following sets. First sub question, a is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. After reading the question, you know the answer and you will come to know what kind of or what type of set it is. It is an infinite set. We will write the elements of the set A. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. You can write till, but you don't know the end point, so you can put the dot and leave it. The second sub question, b is equal to x such that x is an integer where x is greater than minus 1 by 2 but less than 9 by 2. Here you should make a small note that equality sign is not present. So minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2 are not the elements of the set. And we all know that minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2 are fractions. Fractions mean they are not a whole number, but the statement here is given as they should be, x should be an integer, but here it is a fraction. So minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 and 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5. We'll write the integer which is greater than minus 0.5 but less than 4.5. It should write the elements. B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not considered because it should be less than 9 by 2. Third sub question, c is equal to x such that x is an integer where x square is less than and equal to 4. Okay, we'll apply the numbers in the place of x and we'll get the elements and we'll list all the elements of the set. The condition is x square should be less than and equal to 4. So 2 is the first and the last point. First point means minus 2, last point means plus 2. Everyone know that if we apply minus 2 also, the answer will be equal, it will be in positive, so it is similar itself. We'll write the elements minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. 3 is not considered, minus 3 is not considered because it is greater than, the answer will be greater than 4. That's it. 0 it is considered because it is less than 4. Minus 1 square is equal to 1, it is less than 4. 1 square is equal to 1, which is less than 4. 2 square is equal to 4, minus 2 square is equal to 4. Equality sign is there. Therefore, these are the elements of the set C. Fourth one, D is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. Okay, we'll write the elements. D is equal to L O Y A. We should not write L. Write the reason in the comment section. Fifth sub question, E is equal to x such that x is a month of year not having 31 days. Month which is not having 31 days are February, April, June, September and November. Apart from this, every month has 31 days. Sixth question, F is equal to x such that x is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. It should be a consonant and it should precede K. Precede K means it should be before K, after K, or K are not considered as an element of the set. We'll note F is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Leave this because these are vowels. Apart from this, all are consonant. You all know, I guess. B, C, D, F, G, H, I is vowel, J, K. We should not write K because they have not mentioned till K, they have mentioned precedes K. Therefore, K is not considered or not an element in the set F. Okay, sixth question. Match each of the sets on the left in roster form with the same set on right described in the set builder form. Okay guys, we'll move to the sixth question. 1, 2, 3, 6. This side a set is represented in roster form. Here it is represented in set builder form. We should okay 1, 2, 3, 6. After reading the elements, you guys will come to know it is a set of natural number, and after going through the series you will come to know that it is natural number and divisor of 6. Okay, the option is C. X such that X is a natural number and divisor of 6. So the first question is matched with the option C. Second sub question, 2 and 3. You guys have came across the same question, I guess, in the third question. Here it is a prime number and divisor of 6. There it was 60, so 5 was included. So here it is a divisor of 6, so it is a prime number and divisor of 6. Option second question and option A is matched. Third question, MATHEICES. We can easily say that X as that X is a letter of the word mathematics is matched with the third question. Fourth question, 13579. 13579, it is a natural number as well as odd numbers. Endpoint is given, so it is a finite set. We should write odd number less than 10. It is less than 10, so option matched with option B. Okay guys, I hope you have all understood today's class. Exercise 1.1 question is easy for you right now, I guess. Subscribe to Rise Up YouTube channel. Okay, we'll meet in the exercise 1.2 video.